Akiflow is a YC-backed startup. It's a productivity platform designed to consolidate all your tools in one place, meaning that you can import your tasks automatically in Akiflow and block your tasks in your calendar, ensuring you can manage your schedule efficiently. In Akiflow, I oversee product development and the future enhancement of Akiflow. So my role involves understanding user needs, the market trends, and ensuring that our platforms remain user-friendly and innovative. At the beginning of Akiflow, I was onboarding people one by one, and I was gathering user feedback on an Ocean database. As you can imagine, this became a mess very quickly, and I had feedback coming from different sources, such as email, messages, and intercom, and these one-to-one calls. And as a product manager and as a customer success manager, I am obsessed with user feedback. It's someone taking the time to tell you what they think about your product is invaluable. And I was horrified about the idea of losing track of this feedback. So I knew immediately that I needed a system to collect, prioritize this user feedback. And I looked for Canny. So our team uses Canny to collect and prioritize feedback. The simplicity and user-friendly interface of Canny makes it super easy to use for us and for our users. So users can easily submit their suggestion or upvote existing one on Canny. And we use Canny mainly from Intercom. In Intercom, we have all our conversation with users, and with just a couple of shortcuts, we can upvote an existing feature request on behalf of the user or creating a new one. And the great thing is that we can share what we just did with the user, and it's something they truly appreciate, seeing that every single feedback is taken into consideration. Thanks also to Canny Slack integration. When I receive updates from feature requests, I can engage with users. So I can go back to the platform and reply to the comments, or help users if they need, if they are experiencing any bug. And it's great to see everyone excited when I change a status to in progress. And something that I actually truly love about Canny is that the roadmap is getting updated automatically. So all the statuses that I change is just updating the roadmap for people. And users always appreciated our transparency and be able to see what's upcoming in Akiflow. Plus, at every feature release, and this happens once a month, I update our changelog and our user request. So they can just check what happens, and I see that there are thousands of views of every changelog post. So that's exciting for me as well. One surprising advantage of Canny was the MRR feature, so monthly recurrent revenue, and be able to see how many paying users are requesting a feature and how many leads or churned users are doing the same. To give you an example, when we first started developing the product, we didn't have a mobile app. So a lot of people were asking for it, and we could see that some of them were churning because they were probably, people that use the mobile app a lot. And it was great to see that when we released the mobile app, that number was going up. And this is just because we were able to update user on the status of that feature request. And we saw many people coming back to try again Akiflow and the mobile app. First of all the time saved of people that do customer support and they need to track feature requests and update the users on the new released feature. And plus, Canny has fostered a sense of community among users. Users feel more connected to Akiflow and to one another. To Akiflow because they see how much we care about feedback and that sharing this feedback is actually shaping the tool. For them, it's great to see that they just do a feature request and sometimes in a couple of weeks that's live. And this is because we take into consideration the top requested features, but sometimes the small things that just make sense, so we release it. And when I was saying to one another, it's something that I saw a lot. Like, for example, when there is a feature that has to be released, so we know that there's a problem that still has to be fixed. I see them commenting on each other and sharing like their current tricks and solution to that issue. So I see them helping each other a lot and asking questions to understand the different issues they are facing. And again, user express the gratitude for our transparency and for us listening to every feedback they have.